So here we are in front of the Museum of Aviation. So come along with us and see what we can see today.
When you're in the Eagle building, don't forget to go behind the restroom areas and go into the Robert L. Scott Auditorium if you want to have a rest. Because sometimes they have something very special playing, like The Wizard of Oz.
The Museum of Aviation opened to the public on February 9th, November 1984, and 20 aircraft were on display at the time in an open field, and another 20 were in various stages of restoration. The Museum of Aviation has grown to become the second largest museum in the United States Air Force and the fourth most visited museum in the Department of Defense. The museum is a place that honors our veterans and their families and reminds our airmen of their legendary Air Force heritage. The Museum of Aviation's mission is to portray the history of Robins Air Force Base as part of the heritage of the United States Air Force, educate and inspire our visitors, and recruit the future workforce. Now, in 1983, the Museum of Aviation of Robins Air Force Base, Georgia, was chartered under the state of Georgia as a non-profit organization. As you heard on the last video, the admission is free, parking is free, and it's open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. except Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve, which it's open from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. It is closed Easter, it's closed Thanksgiving, it's closed Christmas Day, and it's closed New Year's Day. The Museum of Aviation is situated on 51 acres next to the Robins Air Force Base in Warner Robins, Georgia. The facility includes 4 large exhibit buildings, which are like hangars, and they house some of the 58 historic U.S. Air Force aircraft, missiles, cockpits, and exhibits. The Museum of Aviation is the home of Georgia Aviation Hall of Fame, located on the 2nd floor of the Century of Flight hangar. The Museum of Aviation does have guided history tours, for kids ages 5 to adult. They also have team building programs for adults, and they have like a STEM training academy for teachers, which is kind of cool. You can also have birthday parties there for kids ages 4 to 10, and they're usually done on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and they have to be scheduled in advance. You can't just show up on Saturday and say, hey, I want to have a birthday party. Now, the minimum number of kids to book for the birthday party is 10, and the maximum is 20. So there is some, space restrictions and requirements. Now, I am really impressed with this place, if you happen to figure that out already. So, come on down and take a search through the Museum of Aviation, right next to Robins Air Force Base. You'll be very happy you did.